She is a danger. She's not a danger. Was she? Was she danger? She was an angel. She wasn't an angel. Was she an angel? It is a poop. It is not poop. Is it poop? It was happiness. It wasn't happiness. It was it hap- It was happiness. It was happiness. It wasn't happiness. Is it happiness? Was it happiness? It is a zombie. It is not a zombie. Was Is it zombie? It was joke. It wasn't joke. Was it joke? Saying a gentleman was Colosseum wrestler. Yuri wasn't a writer. Tully is not a human being.